Hi everyone, this is Sandy Reese with StampItCrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Thanks for joining me for another card candy card making day. Today our card candy is from Joanne Graham. Joanne actually has her own blog and she does videos, she does TikToks. She's rock, paper, scissors stampers. And I will post a link to her blog so you guys can check that out. But Joanne always does really cute duplicatable projects. So I love that about her. Now this is a new set. Joanne went to On Stage with me and she received this set for a crafting evening. And this is using the Country Wood Suite, but this is the Country Flowers bundle right here. Super cute, has lots of florals, lots of dies. I love the little teapot, the bucket, I don't know what that is, like an extra little bucket. And then the stool I think is super cute. So we're gonna make 2 cards out of this today. Let me get this out and just remind you that we have a great starter kit special this month. You get lots of the new In Color products for free when you purchase the starter kit. So I'd love to have you as part of my team. I'll post a link on the video description so you can check it out if you are interested. Okay, so I think what I'm gonna do, I've already pulled out a few colors that match. So this is Pecan Pie, and I'm gonna do Pecan Pie for the first card. We're gonna make 2 cards today. And I think I'm gonna do white. I may emboss that. That's a lot of white. I don't think I want that much white, my goodness. I wanna see some of that beautiful Pecan Pie color behind it. So we're gonna cut this down to 5 by 3 3/4. Let's see if that's enough. We could cut it down more if we wanted. Okay, I'm gonna need that back in a minute. Okay, that's better. And I want to use the Flower Market and the Sentiment right here. Oh, it's already sticky. I'll flip that over. I think I might want to put it like this, but I feel like we need a little texture on the background. So let's grab, what do I have out? I have the Brick Wall embossing folder out, so we're gonna just grab that while we're here. Make sure I get that on the right way. And we'll run that through Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. It's just some great texture. The Distress, I call it the Brick Wall. It's Distressed Brick because I can't always remember the names of things. All right, we're gonna put this right in the center. We have that cute little flower pot and our Sentiment, Best Friend Ever. I wanna put that kind of close to our flower pot. Isn't that cute? I feel like we need maybe some sort of bling. What do I have close? I have rhinestones. You know what I miss are our red rhinestones. I just miss those. Do I want to put, I don't think I want to put them on the beautiful flowers. She did such a good coloring job. I have a bunch of little ones. So we're trying to use up some of these little gems. Maybe one more, maybe kind of coming down, just like a little sprinkling. Like I went like that and threw all those gems on there. Super cute. And I know Kathleen's saying, she said super cute again. I can't help it. Okay. So the other color she used was, I'm hoping, yeah, that's Poppy Parade. I love this color. Happy Parade. Any red, I love. Okay, I'm going to do this one landscape. So I have a piece of crumb cake, and then I have some of the new Country Woods designer paper, and I just want to do a little layer on top of that. So I don't want to make it too small because that's kind of tall going landscape. So my crumb cake is 5 1/4 by 4. So I want to make this 5 1/8, just slightly smaller, by 3 7/8, just an eighth of an inch off. So that will give it just a small layer of crumb cake. All right. Let's adhere this to, it has a pretty, I love this pattern on the back, but that does not go with our color scheme. So we are going with more of a neutral wood texture. This just kind of keeps us from having to do any embossing because the wood, the designer paper, adds texture to your card. Okay. There we go. This is so easy. Oh, she's got that twice, those separate, so that's great. Put that there. Put that one right on top. I love it. I can just pull it off and stick it on. Isn't that cute? She's already got some rhinestones. She looks like she either used the red ones or she colored with a red, red blend. But that's awesome. I don't even have to bling it. So great. Okay. So thank you, Joanne, for making such cute card candy out of our new catalog. And don't forget, I will post the link to purchase below in the YouTube description. Would love to have your order. I send out a little gift if your order is $50 or more using the host code for May, and I'll include a little special something for you. And make sure to check back next time. We have one more card candy. It's out of the new catalog. This one was mine coming up. So make sure to check back next time and have a good day. Thanks, everyone.